Hi, Victoria.
Hi.
What's going on today? I see we have a lot of boxes.
We have so many boxes that we get to unbox today.
Is this a super triple unboxing video?
It sure is.
Oh my goodness. Let's start with a small box. Yeah. Buzzkill, a wild wander through the weird and threatened world of bugs. Wow.
Ooh. Oh, we have a board book, Rocks and Minerals.
Ooh. It's the rocks and minerals. Wow, better than we found it. Conversations to help save the world.
Well, a favorite. Noodle heads, take it easy.
Another board book. Leo, rise and shine. Cute.
Press start. Super Rabbit Boy, powers up.
Ooh, our second grade friends are really enjoying the Press Start series right now. They'll be excited for that. I did it! An early reader. I'm learning to ride a bike.
Ooh, playing through the turnaround.
Oh, Splatoon 15. I know some friends are waiting for this one.
Alright. Ooh, Undercover Latina.
Oh yeah, that's supposed to be really good. And we have a stack of new nonfiction from the 21st Century Junior Library about disabilities. So we have what is disability, disability pride, disability etiquette, how to be a disability advocate and ally, disability and the media, and disabilities and relationships.
Ooh.
That's one box.
Alright, let's see what's next. Ooh. I cannot draw a horse.
I cannot draw a horse either.
They're
really hard. Ooh, show and tell, great graphs and smart charts, an introduction to infographics.
Alright. Citizen She, the global campaign for women's voting rights.
Well done, Mommy Penguin. No.
Alright. Oh, counting in dog years and other sassy math words.
Black Gold, beautiful picture book.
Ooh, A Journey Under the Sea.
Build a house. Rhiannon Giddens. With a link to a recording by Rhiannon Giddens and William Moore.
Ooh, fun. My brother is away.
Me and the Boss. A story about mending and love. It's about learning to sew.
Lovely. Alright. Something Great. Ooh.
Ooh, come on in. There's a party in this book.
Alright. Witch Hazel. This is very pretty.
Ooh, this is a new series. Dinosaur Sanctuary. It's about a zookeeper at a dinosaur sanctuary.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, here's another one. We have another press start. Super Rabbit Boy blasts off.
Ooh, the Raccoon by Pete Hoffman. This is great.
All right, Off the Wall. Very cool.
Oh, I'm so excited for this one. Kenneth Craigle's first book is one of my very favorites. And this one looks so cute. It's Mushroom Lullaby by the author of Wild Honey from the Moon.
Lovely. Let's see. Ooh, What the Jaguar Told Her.
Okay, we have a new board book series. So cute. Baby's First Library. We know that newborn babies really like black and white because they see it well. So we have Let's Get Dressed, At Home, and Shapes.
Very, very cool. All right, and McHugh Out Loud.
That's another box down. One
So
more box
many.
to go. This was the big box.
box. Okay.
Ooh, Lightyear, the movie. haven't seen this one yet.
And we have Ada Twist, Scientist, Ghostbusted.
Ooh, a Halloween story. Another spooky audiobook. We have Stein Tinglers by R.L. Stein, 10 stories.
Alright, and we have Yasmin, the Detective.
Another audiobook, Conan Alexander's Door of No Return. This was really good.
Oh, and we have Narwhal Corn and Jelly. Very magical.
Ooh, the new Myrtle Hardcastle mystery. Old Blood and Myrtle.
Alright, we have Feathers Together, inspired by a pair of real birds.
An unbreakable bond. Beautiful. We have a couple new Who Is books. Who is Shaquille O'Neal? And who was Michelangelo?
Hey. It looks like we have a CD, A Very Scary Halloween.
Another new movie, Minions, Rise of Gru.
Baseball Around the World.
Nice nonfiction. Oh, a biography of Madeline Langdon, Making a Wrinkle in Time. Book 2, Star, beautiful.
Oh, lovely. Ooh, I see another movie. Oh, Pokemon, Pikachu and Friends,
Oh, it's
starring Eevee.
Everyone loves Eevee. Going Places, Victor Hugo Green and his glorious book, another theme book. Oh, sweet.
Boning. I wonder what this is about. Guess we'll have to read it to find out.
Africana, an encyclopedia of the amazing continent. What a gorgeous cover.
Ooh, caves. Want to go in? Do you dare?
No.
No.
The Anti-Racist Kid. A book about identity, justice, and activism. Alt-Zaken. It's old things, I think, in either Yiddish or German. This is supposed to be a really great graphic novel. Maybe you don't talk about over. Ooh, I love Elise Gravel. Here's some new book. Everybody, you, me, and us. Their illustrations are so fun.
Alright, we have a Minecraft book, Mob Squad.
Ooh, another Halloween CD. Kids Bop Halloween Party.
Hey.
Finally get some good Halloween music.
Oh, Two-Headed Chicken, graphic novel.
Oh, we got another Myrtle Hardcastle. This one's in Myrtle Peril.
Oop, superheroes. Who is Captain Marvel?
Looking for that. A River's Gift, the mighty outlaw river reborn.
Ooh, okay, we have Ruby Celebrates the Hanukkah Hunt.
Bird and squirrel all together.
This book will save the planet.
Ooh, for our Warriors fans, we have a new book from the Gravelands series, book 3.
Alright, we have Children of Stardust.
We Were the Fire, Birmingham, 1963. Historic fiction.
Leon the Extraordinary. Another graphic.
Dragonfly Eyes. Oh, this is really great. It's a book in translation. Chinese book.
Very pretty. We have A Different Kind of Normal.
Last but not least, we have a couple more books from our 21st Century Junior Library. This is from the Social Emotional Toolbox series. We have Persisting When Things Are Difficult and Learning Expectations. Thanks for unboxing all these books with me, Victoria.
Of course, we're excited to put them out.